Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today, like you can see by the title of the video, I'm simply just showing you guys what I plan on using this coming week. By the time you're watching this video, you should have seen the other video I made on the unboxing of the Brighten Me products that were sent to me, which is what I'm going to be using this week. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I plan on using them. So let's just begin right away, and I'm going to begin with the topical products. That means the products I'll be applying on my face and my body. Then we are going to move on into the supplements, basically what I'm taking orally. So now let's just begin with the here with the Brittany Me products over here. So guys, I still I still can't get over the packaging. The packaging is so dope, it's so cute, it's so chic, it's just so classy, just so cute. Anyway, over here we have the Brittany Me Dual Action Cleansing Gel for all skin types, and over here I have the Brittany Me Brightening Toner, again for all skin types. So I have these two items here. Now of course these ones are made for the face, so I'm gonna be washing my face using this one for the face, for washing my face. Then of course I follow it up with the toner right here. Oh my god, can you just see how the packaging looks so cute? Can you see that? So these are from Brittany Me, and by the way guys, if you wish to purchase anything from Brittany Me, I have a discount code, and my discount code is Shiko10. Shiko10 will give you 10% off anything that you buy from Brittany Me. They have a wide variety of products, so I highly suggest you go and check out their website and see what suits you. And by the way, if you're buying these things, I think they have a line for oily skin and a line for dry skin. So buy based on your skin type instead of buying these ones that are for all skin types. Just check and see the ones that are for your skin type. Then moving on, they also gave me, I'm so happy, they gave me a full set for the body and the face, and then I'm completely covered. So over here we have this one. If you guys can see it, this is a face exfoliant, the deep cleansing face exfoliant infused with olive extract to unclog the pores, gentle on the skin, oil free. Now one thing I know about this one, it has salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is different from other acids because it's a BHA, and it goes right deep into your pores. It unclogs your pores, and if you have oily skin like me, I'm actually happy they sent me this one because I have super oily skin. If you have oily skin like me, salicylic acid will help to control your oil or your sebum production. Basically it will make your skin less oily, and it will also unclog your pores. So if you're a person who has like acne, or you have rashes, or you have breakouts happening in here and there, then definitely you need to be using salicylic acid. It really helps. And I remember when I used to have acne, I used salicylic acid, and it used to work so well for me as well. So guys, I'm so happy to have this one, and I can't wait to try it out. So after washing my face with the cleanser, I'll be using the face exfoliant, and basically, like I'm saying, it's not a leave-on product. You're supposed to massage your face with it for 1 full minute. Yeah, for 1 full minute. Then you rinse off and you apply the moisturizer, the face cream. Now, so I'm gonna be using this one, like I'm saying, like about 4 times in a week, because over exfoliating your skin is also bad for you. You need to be very careful with exfoliation, especially when you're using acids. I don't know what percentage of salicylic acid is in here. I'll definitely ask them like how often I can use it, but based on my own knowledge, I'll be using it 4 times in a week before they reply and tell me if it's okay to use it every day, which I don't think so. I think most likely it's gonna be like 4 times or 5 in a week. So there it is. And then I'll tell you guys the days I'll be doing I'll be using the exfoliant. Then over here we have the Brighten Me face cream right here, and my lighting is not even doing it justice, guys. Wait a minute. Okay, there it is. There, yeah, you can see it more clearly. There it is, guys. There is a face cream, and I love that it comes very well packaged in this thing right here. That it protects the cream from getting that and all. So there it is. And again, guys, the packaging, the packaging. Her packaging, the packaging is so cute and chic and just so classy. It's a bit of a heavy packaging. It just looks so good. And packaging aside, I have begun even using the face cream. As soon as I did the unboxing, I began using these products because I want to be super consistent in my routine. Like, guys, I have leveled up. I have decided I have to get my shit in order. I have to get my skin in order. And so I have decided to be committed and to not skip a single day. That is why I'm doing this routine. So my face cream, I have the face cream there. So after washing my face, using the toner and exfoliating, then I apply the face cream. That's for the face. And I'm happy. This is actually all you need. This is a very good set. A very good set for the face products because it's exfoliating your skin. You have a toner which has kojic acid. The exfoliant has also skin lightening ingredients. Like basically everything here. All these things, they have kojic acid, arbutin. They all have skin lightening properties. All of these things. That is why I'm I am very hopeful and very positive that I'll get good results from using these ones, basically based on the ingredients. And then of course, moving on, I have the body cream which was sent to me. This is a Brighten Me Bright Body Lotion, clarifying, moisturizing, highly concentrated, clears the skin of impurities, restores skin clarity and glow, all that extra lightening. Again, this one also has kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, it has arbutin, it has glutathione, it has a whole bunch of vitamin C, E, it has a whole bunch of very nice ingredients. Again, I'm very hopeful of this one. I want to see how it will work like. The only issue is this one is only 300 ml. Now, I don't think it will last me more than 2 weeks because I'm using it day and night, and based on the how I've seen it performing, the viscosity, it absorbs on the skin so fast. Doesn't give you like so much room to work with before it absorbs. So I'm not sure how long it will last me. However, I know the face products can last me for almost like 2 months. The face products they can last me for a long time because the face cream, I used it today and a little bit of it goes a very long way. So these face things will last me for a long time. But the lotion, in case I run out of the lotion, I am going to have to make my own lotion. And yeah, but I'm hoping at least it can take me like 3 weeks. I'm hoping so. So for the next 3 weeks, basically, guys, what I'm saying is, for the next 3 weeks, this is going to be my routine. I'm going to stick to this routine because I am using products from Brittany Me. I don't want to mix them up with products from other companies to make sure I get an unbiased results. And those are the products I'll be using for the topical products for application on my body and my face. So basically, I'm just using Brighten Me products. That way I can give you guys a fair review at the very end of me using them. So for the next 3 weeks, it's me and Brighten Me. Yeah. So and then now let's just move on to the supplements, guys. Of course, I think I showed you guys this one on the unboxing. Yes, I did. This is the Sunfood MSM. That is what I'm using this week. My other MSM got finished, so I'm gonna be using this Sunfood MSM. There it is. Then I'm gonna be using this alpha lipoic acid. Again, very good for skin lightening. And then I always love using vitamin A because it makes my skin look more better and more healthy. So vitamin A over there. Then over here I have the I have the Crystal Glow skincare suppositories. I'm laughing because I should have been done with this thing a long time ago, but you saw my video on the suppositories and why I delayed in using them. So like I'm saying, guys, I have decided I need to step up my game. I have become a lazy bleacher, and I need to stop becoming a lazy bleacher. I need to be on top of my game, because guys, more and more of you guys are joining and subscribing to my channel, and I have brands watching me, I have you guys watching me, so I need to be super duper consistent. And also I want my skin to get back to where it was. I want to get that glow I had. I want to have an even skin tone. I want to get rid of my knuckles. I want to get back to where I was, because I kind of slacked on my skin lightening journey. I need to get my ass back to where I was. I need to get my skin back to glowing, and the only way I can get back there is only if I'm consistent, which is why I even have a routine. And having a routine really helps you in staying consistent and staying on top of your game. So a routine, guys, is very important, more than even the products. You could be having the very best, the best of the best products in the whole world. However, if you're not consistent, all this will be for nothing. All this will be a waste of money if you're not consistent. So I have learned I need to be consistent. I am back on my game. I am back, and you're gonna see changes in my skin, because I can promise you I am gonna be super duper consistent with the things I'm using. So anyway, I need to finish up the suppositories, so I'll be using them. If that means like me cutting it into half, there's one who was telling me in the comment section I need to cut the capsule into half, because it's very uncomfortable in my ass. So they're saying if I cut the capsule into half, it will be more comfortable, then I can get adjusted to it. So I am going to do that and see how that one works. Either way, guys, the point is I have to finish up these things, do or die. One way or the other, I have to finish up these capsules. So I have to force myself to finish them up. So this week I'm using them. Okay, moving on to the glutathione. You guys know, of course, I'm a ride or die fan of the SHC liposomal glutathione and the vitamin C. Actually, as you can see, I just opened them just recently to do that test I was doing of the glutathione test I was doing. And this is still the first set. I have a whole 12 bottles, 12 sets to go through. I didn't want to start using them until I had my routine set up, because it would be a waste of money. I don't want to use things just for the sake of using them. I want to use things in an orderly, in a structured manner. So that is why I had not even begun using them, but now I have begun using them, and you are gonna see the changes for yourself. So I have my liposomal glutathione and vitamin C, and guys, like I told you in my previous video, they did change up the formula, not even changing, I'm gonna say improving. They improved the formula of the glutathione. Now this one has 1300 mg per serving as compared to the way it was previously. So yeah, per serving you get more mgs of glutathione. I'll put that info on the screen so you can see. So that is what I'm gonna be using, the glutathione here and the vitamin C here. Yeah, so those are my two my vitamin C and my liposomal glutathione. And if you wish to buy anything from SHC, use my discount code SHIKO5 will give you 5% off anything you buy from SHC. However, if you buy like a set of 15 bottles, then you can use my discount code SHIKO150, will save you a whole 150 pounds of your order. In any case, guys, it's always good to be fully stocked up on supplements, especially right now with the whole thing going on with the virus and everything. You need to make sure you're taking your supplements very consistently. Just make sure you are staying healthy and all. So even if I would advise you guys, I'd advise you to buy the whole set of 15 bottles, because either way you're gonna need them for your health and for your skin lightening. So if you can afford, I normally say it's just good to buy in bulk. You save more money and it's less money in shipping all the time back and forth. So if you can buy the 15 bottles and save more money and have something that can last you for a long time, yeah, So that's the vitamin C and the glutathione. All the discount codes will be on the screen. And last but not least, guys, moving right along, I have the marine collagen right here, which again I'll show you guys in my Amazon unboxing video. I'll put the links of everything. I normally say that, then I get so busy and I forget, but for sure this time, if you check, the links will be down below for everything that is right here on this table. So marine collagen type 1 unflavored, this is a brand I'm using right now, because like I told you, the collagen peptides powder didn't do much for me, for my skin. I know how my skin performs like with collagen, because I have tried taking my supplements without marine collagen in the past and with, and I can see a difference in my skin. I know the difference very, very well, and even guys notice the difference. There's a certain kind of a glow you get if you're using something that is working for your skin. You see the kind of glow you're gonna get. So I have the marine collagen here. I haven't even opened it yet up, it's still sealed. So I'm gonna use this one beginning tonight. And again, like I'm saying, my whole routine will be right after this video. I'll give you guys my routine. So that is the collagen that I'm using this week. Then again, lastly, I have my milk Diso complex drops. I think I showed you guys this one. Now this one was just something I just picked up at random when I was shopping in Healthy You. Healthy You is a company here in Kenya which are basically meant for healthy supplements. The seeds, they just sell a bunch of healthy things basically. So Healthy You also sells supplements, and this one is 1936 shillings from Healthy You. I just saw it there and I was like, I know milk this is very good for skin lightening, so I was like, let me just try it out and see how it works like. Then it was very inexpensive. It's only 1936 shillings, so I was like, let me just see how it works like. So then again, finally I have my alkaline booster drops here, which is making my water alkaline, changing the pH of water from normal water to alkaline water. And again, I'll put a slide next here to show you guys the benefits of taking alkaline water. It really helps, mostly when you're using glutathione. It really helps in cleaning out your system much better compared to normal water. And I don't want to make this video to be very long, guys. More on all these things will be down below, but that's all I am using today. Now I'm gonna give you guys a slideshow to show you guys how I plan on using these things. Again, guys, like I keep on saying, consistency is the name of the game. Consistency is the name of the game. I can be having all these things, and like right now, guys, to be honest, I honestly have more than what I need. I have more than enough supplements, the creams. I can be having all these things, but if I am not consistent, I won't see any results, which is why I want to be very, very consistent, and my consistency will show in my results. So let me use these things, guys, for the next 3 weeks. Just know I'm using these things. Don't even ask me. Just know for the next 3 weeks I'm using these things. Okay, just make sure you're on the same page. So let me show you a slideshow of the things that of how I plan on using them. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Those of you guys who have just joined in, who have subscribed, thank you so much. If you're watching me for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe. If you're into skin lightening, you wanna learn how to go from this to this in a safe way, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you guys, and until next time, see ya.